So the beleaguered Reggae Boyz World Cup qualifying campaign has taken another body blow, with no fans to be allowed for the crucial home games against Mexico and Costa Rica inside the stadium. Another typical case of one step forward and two steps backward for Jamaica. Remember now, it was only fully vaccinated people that were allowed inside the stadium for the last game. A mere 5,000 in a 35,000-seater stadium. Well, that privilege has been withdrawn by the same government that announced that the country will no longer be on lockdown. So unvaccinated people can go and bungle up in the supermarket and in the shop and at the fast food restaurants. And from the pandemic start, unvaccinated people again have been free to go to Caymanas Park every race day. And who not at the track, they are free to bungle up at any of the off-track locations. But some way, somehow, 5,000 fully vaccinated people who can spread out and social distance in a 35,000 capacity stadium for some crucial World Cup qualifiers, those people are being banned from doing so because the government says so. Well, the Maverick is now fully convinced that someone connected to local football thief the government white fowl. Yes. That's